it's Robert back again with another guitar lesson. So today I'm gonna show you how to play Love Potion. It's only 3 chords, so it shouldn't be a hassle for anyone who is a beginner. Guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also if you have a song that you don't want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So with that aside, let's dive in right after this. The key of the song is B, and the chords are 1, 4, 5, 1. So it's 1, 4, 5, and 1. So the 1 is B major, the 4 is E major, the 5 is F sharp major. So I think I said F, but it's F sharp major. So how I'm holding the B. So with my pointer finger, I am pressing on fret number 2, 5th string, and then with my ring finger, string number 4, 3, and 2 on the 4th fret. That's B major chord. E major with my pointer finger, string number 3 on the 1st fret, with my middle finger, string number 5 on the 2nd fret, and with my ring finger, string number 4 on the 2nd fret. That's E major chord. And then finally the F major chord, F sharp major, sorry. So with my pointer finger, I am barring 2nd fret from string 1 all the way to string 6, and then with my middle finger, string number 3 on the 3rd fret, and then with my ring finger, string number 5 on the 4th fret, my small finger, string number 4 on the 4th fret. That's F sharp major chord. The strumming pattern that I'm using, it's it's just a simple strumming pattern, though doesn't mean that you can't use any other strumming pattern, but these are one that you can use if you don't have any such strumming pattern. So down, 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 down. So that's how you play the song. Well, this was a simple song and also a short tutorial. So guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't, and remember that you can always request any song that you'd want to know to play on the guitar at the comment area. So guys, and let's meet on the other tutorial.